Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss Bitcoin and Ethereum. September usually is not that great for Bitcoin, but we have quite few positive news. We are going to check the price action when it comes to the chart of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that's gonna to be the great topic. Without the further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's start with some Bitcoin news. As you can see here, based on the informations from the Reuters, Deutsche Bank to hold crypto for institutional clients. That very interesting information. So basically what is going on here is that Deutsche Bank is joining, for example, Standard Chartered Bank, New York Mellon, or Société Générale when it comes to this type of the service. So what is all about? Checking the news, looks like Deutsche Bank has partnered with the Swiss crypto firm Taurus to provide custody services for institutional clients, cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets, Taurus said in a statement on Thursday. Also, we get the information from the Deutsche spokesman, said that, well, as of now, Deutsche is not going to be directly involved in the trading when it comes to the crypto market, but that's what they are working on, and we have this here in a little bit lower. So there is no immediate plans when it comes to the direct trading when it comes to the Deutsche Bank. All right, I'm sorry for this white board. The next very important information is someone's on the Twitter, and I'm going to provide the details of this Twitter account, the Bitcoin and Energy Standard. Make the simple calculation, took into the consideration all the ETF applications are waiting for approval, and we are talking about only the big guys, the giants, and well, we are talking about the 25 trillion under management, assets under management, and the people here related to this Twitter account simply made the calculation that if only 1% out of this 25 trillion portfolio is going to be allocated into the Bitcoin, then the Bitcoin price might go as high as 278,200. Well, with that being said, here and now, I strongly encourage you to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also I strongly encourage you to leave the comment what you think about this price. If you are going to go to Twitter and check this account, you are going to find the full breakdown how they get the price close to 300,000, and based on today's price, the ROI could be something around 800%. Okay, so over to the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart. That's the weekly, and you know that the red color represents the monthly. So overall, as you can see from the bigger picture, we are trading within the range. When it comes to the downside, we are talking about the levels close to 25, 24 and a half, and when we are talking about the upside, we are talking to the levels close to 31,500, 32,000, and these levels or these zones represent to what we've seen in the past. So that's how the things looks like from the very big perspective. From the weekly, that's what we are looking at right now. I would say that the most important thing is first this upside break candle and rejection at the top, and this candle which closed below the bottom of this breakout candle. So in that case, what we've seen within the last 4 weeks, it was the attempt to test half of that breakout candle. So we were able to trade towards 27,500, 28,000, and we've seen the constant rejection since then. All right, so I don't think we are going to see something more extraordinary. As I mentioned, the September is from the seasonality perspective is not the great one for the Bitcoin. All right, so let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart. There you go. And well, here the buyers are going to take over once we are going to get the close above this particular level over here, and that's 28,000. If and when the market is going to be able to close above, then from the daily chart perspective, retest of this swing high around 30,000 is going to be the name of the game, and of course 31.5, 32,000 going to be the next target. If we are going to take into the consideration that we are trading somewhere within the 6,000 range, 7,000 range, right, 24.5 up to 32, so then upside break could bring us 40,000 in very positive scenario, and if that's going to happen, that would be great, and that's still possible as long as we are holding above 24.5 thousand. All right, so let's have a look what we have when it comes to the Ethereum. Well, the thing here is that the bulls got the big problem because we are trading below very significant zone 1770, 1680, and we were trading, or we were trying to trade above 4 times already without any positive outcome, right? So in that case, we might still try to retest again 1500, and if we are going to give up, then the level close to 1100 and psychological level 1000 could be the name of the game. But if the bulls are going to be able to close above 1680, 1770, then the 2000 is the first name of the game. Then 50% of that rally, and we are talking about the levels close to 3000, well, might be the next big psychological target for the buyers. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart, and as you can see, we have some Niagara Falls, right? We are trying to recover, but again 1680, 1770, very visible levels because of what we've seen in the past, right, are gonna be very significant from that perspective. So if you are a bullish, I would rather wait and see what's going to happen once the market is going to try to take over this and pull back 50% and rally towards 2000. That could be the trading plan. Otherwise, looking for the short opportunity with 1500 as a first significant target. Guys, as usual, please do your own research before risking real money. Do your own homework. Wish you great next trading session. Thank you very much. See you around. Take care and goodbye.